using a hammer and chisel. This dog has a job at baseball games where he picks up the bat when the player is done with it. In this situation, the umpire picked up the bat for the dog and the crowd was absolutely disgusted.
Sean Murphy.
This player does an excellent job at tricking the goalie without even touching the ball.
Yay!
Come on, come on.
Located in the desert of Chile are giant geoglyphs that haven't changed in over 1,000 years. The people from this time used these rocks to create different art formations. Some of these formations were used to help calculate lunar and solar cycles and compare weather patterns. Unfortunately, some companies are using this desert as a space for free advertising. This is how populations of countries have changed throughout the years. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very